Hi, this is Scott. You got a great selection right here at a pickup. This is the 2017, the Chevy Silverado, 1500 of course. Stock number is 7478. Here's your virtual video walk around. Take notice of the exterior condition. No dings, no dents, no scrapes, no scratches on this Z71 edition. Tow package, of course. How about this? Oil changes for life at no extra cost to you. You're going to get it right here on this gorgeous looking Silverado. Interior condition, as you can see, is in immaculate shape. This truck just has over 50,000 miles. Power seats. Does have the 3.5 liter V8 motor. Or excuse me, the 5.3 liter V8 motor. Got things all backwards in my mind, but I'll tell you what, this truck won't last long. Call us, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.